quick update on this thing. Spent a couple hours kind of polishing and working, especially on these frets right here, which were not level at all, and now you don't hear the fretting out that you heard before. Can work its way up. Set the action probably about as good as I can get it without really going after this thing and leveling all the frets instead of just working this, to about 1 millimeter on the E12 and about 1.5 here. So it's about average. It's not as low as it can go. Kind of noting that the pickups are kind of weak. These pickups especially. This one is strong. And I'm not sure how good it can sound. It's not wired to a tone knob, but I may change that around a bit and may actually split it if that's possible, and then maybe flop these out. We'll see. And like I said before, the tuners are pretty close to awful. But it's getting to where it's a playable guitar for anybody if you don't mind the sound.